Hello, everyone. This is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Chang. This problem is from 2014, 2014 Aime1. No, Aime2. Aime2. Problem number 8. So let's okay. Let's read the problem. Okay. So the problem says circle C with radius 2 has diameter AB. Circle D is internally tangent to circle C at A. Circle E is internally tangent to circle C, externally tangent to circle D, and tangent to AB. So AB is the diameter, right, of the circle C. And the circle E is circle D is internally tangent to C at A. So the radius of circle D is 3 times. So here is 3 times the radius of circle E. And then B written in the form square root of R, square root M minus N. So the radius of circle D is 3 times the radius of circle E, and it means we will find the radius of circle D, right? Okay, let's go back the problems. So I draw the diagram here. So this is circle C, the largest one. And this is circle D. This is circle D. And internally tangent at the point A. And AB is the diameter of circle C. And here is circle E, internally tangent to circle C, and externally tangent to the circle D. Now, also says the radius of circle D 3 times of circle E. So we can let us suppose the radius of circle E is R. So the radius of this circle D is 3, right? And if we connect this point to A, B, C, D, E, F, let's say if F, this point is a tangent, right? And tangent point. So if we connect EF, and this is also radius of circle E. So that's perpendicular. Okay, but if we want to find 3R, we just want to find the R. And only here the relation, the given information just about out of the circles. And now we will find this in this, in this triangle, right? The information is gathering around this triangle CDE, triangle CDE. And this is a right triangle for DEF. Triangle D is a right triangle, so we can use we can use it to calculate the trigonometric value of this angle EDF. Let me say this is angle alpha. So because this is R and the hypotenuse is 3R plus R, right? And so let us think about got the idea. We can use this triangle and use the number and R to express the 3 sides of this triangle CDE. Then we can use cosine law because we know the cosine value of alpha. Then we got the equation, and solve the equation. We got R, then we can got 3R. Okay, no problem, right? So TE is easy, 4R. And what's the CE? What's the CE? CE we can use, just C, connect C to E, and then extend it. This is the tangent point of circle E and the circle C. So the radius of circle C is 2. Then we just minus this, the small circle E radius, then 2 minus R, right? Then we will got CE. And how much is DC? TC we can use. This AC is the radius of the circle C is 2, right? That's 2. We can use 2 to minus this. AD is the radius of the circle D, 3R. So we can got 2 minus 3R. That's what you see. Okay, now it's almost done because we can calculate cosine alpha. Cosine alpha equals, we know this is sine alpha is R over 4R, right? This is 3R. This. So EF over EF is how much? We can use this side squared is 16 R squared minus this R squared, then square root of that, and over 4R. So it's square root of 15 over 4, right? Now we got 48. Then we can use the cosine law. Cosine law, and we just use the angle of this. So we can use CE squared. We can use 2 minus R squared. Okay, I can use this. All right. 2 minus R squared, I mean CE squared equals, this is 4R squared, 16R squared, and plus this side, DC squared, 2 minus 3R squared, minus 2 times this side is 4R, times this side of DC is 2 minus 3R, times cosine alpha. Cosine alpha is square root of 15 over 4. Okay, that's extended. Then this will go to 4 plus R squared minus 4R, right? Equals 16 R squared plus 4 minus 12R plus 9R squared. Then what's it for this one? 4 and 4 square root. So we got minus this and minus, we can use this, right? 4 and 4, nothing. So 2 times 3 times is 4 minus 6R times square root of 15. And here is another, right? Now we can do something to cancel. This is 4, this is 4. So R squared, this R squared, and this is 16 R squared plus 9. So it's 25 squared minus this R squared is 24 R squared, right? I just write right hand side, 24 R squared, right? And we plus 4R for each side minus 8R. So this no. Then minus 4 times square root of 15. Here is R. And now minus, and this negative, so it's positive. So it will be how much? for that. Positive. 6 square root of 15 r squared, right? That's equal to 0. Now, we can, each side I just divided by 2. So use 12 plus 3 times of 15, right? Then dot r squared. This is r squared, this is r squared. And we can use this equals 8 plus 4 square root of we divided by 2, right? So 4 is another 8 is divided by 2, 4, 2 times of that. And here is r, right? We know r can be the 0, so we can divide it by r for each side. Now we can get r equals how much? R equals 4 plus 2 times square root of 15 over. I can take out 3 for this one. That's 4 plus square root of 15. Then we want to get 3r, right? 3r, it will be 4 plus 2 times square root of 15 and 4 plus square root of 15. This is not the form we needed. So what we can do, we just simplify. This simplified is easy because on the top and the bottom we just times 4 minus square root of 15 and 4 minus square root of 15. So the denominator uses a squared minus b squared, 16 minus 15, so with 1. Now we got this is 16 plus comma minus 4 to the square root of 15. And then that's 4 then that's plus 8, right? That's 8 times square root of 15, and then minus 30, right? So that's how much? And let's go back here. And then we will got 4 times the square root of 15 minus 14, right? And this is not also the form. We need the square root of m minus n, right? This form. So we just put this 4 inside and then the square root of this and then the square root. So it's 16, right? Or go back into the right equals 16 times 15. That's common. 240 minus 14. Now, this is m, this is n. So m plus n is 254, right? 254. That's the final answer. We're done. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. So this problem, we just needed to know, use the circles tangent and to know what the relationship is between this triangle, how to use R to represent 3 sides. And we can use cosine law because we can easily figure out the trigonometrical value of this angle alpha. Okay. Right? Hope you can enjoy. Bye.